All right. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream. We have a nice wall in the background now, man. Let's go. I like the lighting, lighting in the background. It's nice. It looks nice. Greetings. Welcome. All right. We got water, of course, best drink of all time. Love the bricks, man. Hell yeah. This is actually real. This is real, okay? I will get like so many good things, like some decoration for the background, so stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. It's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna actually set the volume for the microphone a little bit low because I realized the gain is too high. That looks like a tall building. Neredesin hocam? Brother, I'm in my apartment right now. I have this wall for no reason. Like, I don't know. I just have this wall, and I ordered a really nice painting. Something really good. Like, you guys are gonna love it. You guys are gonna love it for sure. So, yeah. But no, I'm not out in the street, okay? I'm not out in the street or anything like that. This is inside the apartment. Who's the artist? No spoilers, man. But let me just tell you, okay, spoilers. Let me tell you, there's a rat. There's a rat in the painting. There is a rat. And that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Ratatouille, let's go. Hell yeah, man. Like, I'm so excited for it. I actually paid like 20 euros extra just to get it shipped quicker. Like, I paid like 20 euros just because I wanted to have it, like, I want to have it on my wall as soon as possible. So I paid extra. You know, you gotta have some standards, man. You should not hold back from spending money for cooking, okay? You gotta cook. I'm just telling you. So yeah, that's how it is. That's how it turned. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. So in this live stream, I don't have any plans, but we're just gonna go through the things that I should be looking at. So like just basically doing maintenance for multiple projects. And if you have any questions, anything that you want to ask me, just straight shoot it away. I don't mind getting distracted. I don't mind getting trolled. It's all good, guys. It's all good. So that's the plan. I think I'm gonna just share the wrong screen. Give me just 1 second. I should be like sharing the other one. So display this one. All right. So okay, let's see. It's not. Okay, maybe let's have it like that. All right. Cool. So I'll pull up some things to look at first. Yo, Bantu and Full Rust comments. I haven't checked it out, but maybe I'll do another live stream just going through that, because I've seen that Francisco already did that. Like he did a live stream just going through everything. So maybe I'll do that, but no comments for now. I haven't checked like what's really going on right now. We know you cook well, bro. I'm super curious how you get along. Operson's maintaining, brother. It's difficult. It's difficult. It's difficult, definitely. Like I don't really get along with just by just doing that, to be honest. It's not how I do things, sadly. Have you heard of JetBrains? Okay, let's actually put this on Dark Reader. Dark Reader. Sorry for the flashbang, guys. I didn't mean to do this. What is the window manager? It's i3. It's i3. Because I know how much you do and I sort of assume it's your main income. How does that really work? I've never done that. It doesn't really work. That's the issue. So you get something else, something, you gotta, like for me, I do things because I love them, but I have like an actual job, which is actually very, very close to what I'm doing. So I guess that's, you could say that I just, you know, live by doing what I like, but it took some time to get here. You should read my latest blog post. I talk about that in the latest one. Just go to my blog. It's blog.orhun.dev. Actually, I can send you a link. I was just like, wait. There you go. So this is a snake example for Bevi Ratatouille. And I don't know like what to actually do here. But the last time I checked, it was just working fine. So I don't know. It runs in the terminal, but it's a Bevi app. So I guess there's nothing else to do here. It's just like a PR. His secret is no sleep. It's kind of true. He thinks that you have such great energy, Hocam. Much love from Switzerland. Much love from Berlin to all my homies. All my homies. Much love. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. All right, so I'm just trying to find something nice that we can take a look at together. Maybe this one. Maybe this one is nice. Hold on. So there's this PR in Rusty Paste CLI. And if you don't know what Rusty Paste is, it's basically a upload server. And this PR is simply for adding, changing one of the underlying libraries, this HTTP library, to another one. That's the point. So migrate to UREC tree and move to a native certificate feature from platform verifier, preserve server response details. Why? UREC tree no longer includes a response body. Instead is errors, upload and delete requests. Now disable status errors request scope, so the CLI keep reporting. I think we had an issue about this. I don't even remember like what that was, to be honest. Do not quite understand, which requires me to read up on the docs. Why would retrieving the response text require a mutable variable and method? This kind of implies that the response is changed. The response should be unmutable. Reading advances the body stream, but the whole response does not need to stay mutable. I changed both past to consume into body. Okay, that's a really good catch actually. Like, you just like read the code and you catch that. That's really good. Nice. In my home network, I use own CA and self-signed certificates for my service at home, but I fully an error message. Which makes no sense since it's compliant and local trust store also has my root CA. The Urec tree change caused this Urec to loaded keychain routes into Rust LS. While my first mapping delegated serving foundation security framework. Well, it fails to build, first of all. No idea, but let's see the code. Let's see the code. Anyone used Urec before? Any thoughts on it? Why there's an empty space here? That looks kind of weird. Can I actually... Is it because of the wrapping? No. So, cargo tomo. This is kind of weird. No, okay, this is actually okay. I thought that there was like an empty, like a new line here, but it doesn't have it. Okay. I think everything looks good. I am just wondering like what the last commit does here. Preserve native root verification across the Urec upgrade. Let's see what it does. Okay, it just like adds the root certificates as an additional field. Okay. What is this dependency? I never seen that one. Would love to just say hi once next time in Berlin or Jam. Can I contact you over social once I'm there? Of course, hope do not cross boundaries here. Just love the creation. So for use a human. Thank you for sure, man. Like if you have any opportunity to come to Berlin in July, we have a meetup actually. So I just wanted to let you know, if you ever want to like, you know, come this month, we have this meetup. But of course, just hit me up. If you're around, just hit me up, that's fine. So, okay, this looks quite up to date, so that's fine. I think this is fine. The code looks fine. We can go ahead with this after tests it on his setup. All right, that's that. Let's move to another one. All right, I'm trying to find something. We have a bunch of Ratatouille PRs, but I think those are like those are merged by Josh already. We have Ratty. Okay, we started with Rusty Base CLI. Let's just move on to another one. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be just back. Okay. Screen. So prefer explicit file arguments over implicit non-TTY std in. Should read std in. Explicit file arguments we know are implicit non-std, non-TTY std in. What does this mean? Whenever stdin is not a terminal, this command uploads an empty paste or hangs instead of the file. This can happen when using Ctrl Z on a full screen TUI, using rpaste in between. Okay, so how does this fix it? Yeah, I see. Okay, I think this looks good, like basically testing all the cases here. That should be fine. One thing though. What do we have in, okay, run method is at the end. I'm just trying to like find like where does this thing come in. Why do we have a bunch of lines in between, man? Okay, I just want to like very quickly change something. Is in the CLI repo, right? Yes, so pull. Jesus, what is going on outside? 261. Just quickly edit this. I know I'm distracting too much, but feel guilty here, so I'm curious how your obsession with rats started. No, it's fine, man. Like I told you, like I said in the beginning of the live stream, you can distract me, it's all good. And it's good. So rats, I mean, I just like the rats ever since I was a kid. Like, you know, animals are just like, I just love animals, man. Like, and rats is just like something that I had obsession with ever since I was a kid. And then I kind of like took break from that obsession and kind of got obsessed with other animals. But then Ratatouille happened, and basically what happened was I got obsessed with rats again. So yeah, that's what happened. So I don't know how it started. I just liked rats. They're cool. Hi, handsome. Hello, baby. Welcome. Hello, Faldus. Oh, I don't have my drive folder mounted. Give me a second. I just gotta mount that probably. I don't even know like which SDG maybe. That's probably the camera though. No? Okay, that didn't do anything. Okay, so we have the target folder now. Cool. Alright, so what I was doing was basically go to librs. Oh, what did I do? librs and then 31. I kind of want to like move this thing a bit. Like right now I see that it's like the run method is huge, first of all. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna just returns. I don't have Copilot. Yeah, it's hard without Copilot. Returns true. You mean everything brave? I'm just. You just. Did you code me too? What are those questions? It's kind of cute. You're cute. Returns true when. Bro, I need codecs. I need codecs. Help me write a better dog command for this function. I think I just add a nitpick here. Update the code. Must switch to 5.6. Yeah, I should probably update. I need you too. Just give me some time. I'm just doing some nonsense. I'll be back to you in a while. Actually, I was using the fast model the other day and it was really good. Okay, so we're just gonna copy this. I think I can just merge this, to be honest. Like, just approve. Code quality had changed drastically for my use case since 5.6. Really worth the update. Is there a reason why you prefer Codex or Claude or Hermes or any agentic dev thingies? It uses Ratatouille, that's it. Nothing else, to be honest. And it's fast, like it doesn't feel very heavy. I actually installed Codex on my work laptop, but then it was a bit weird because I couldn't find the creates.io package, and it turned out there's no like creates.io package for it, which was a bit weird. And I had to install it from npm. But it is what it is. I think Tesos will merge it later, so I'm gonna just move on to other things. Alright, let's see what we have. Ratty, expose Vinet, update mode as config. It's an interesting one. This is an interesting one. Let's have a look. I'm just having a look. Alright, so expose Vinet update mode as config. Vinet settings continuous costs 10x idle CPU for small always on Windows. Unconditionally for small always on ambient ready Windows. Burns 53 of a CPU core per window at idle. Oh wow. I like a way to opt a window into lower power update mode. Nice. Okay, so this is basically a config change. Window section. Hey, thanks for the very well detailed issue. This I wasn't aware. Performance effect. So I appreciate you digging into it. I would be happy to merge the proposed solution if you could submit a PR. I think it is very reasonable. All right. Babe, I gotta go. Have a good stream. Thank you, babe. See you very shortly, I guess. Love you. Love you, SM. LYSM. Okay, so I'm having a look at some other things. Ratty camera protocol. There's this one which is interesting. I don't know what this is doing, to be honest. Feature examples bundle Vry. Love you too. Bundle Vry, what is that? What is bundle Vry, guys? Does anyone know what this is? Wry is a cross-platform web view rendering library developed by Tori. Okay, I didn't know that at all. A web view. Basically a web view. Does anyone know what this is? Okay, so what does this do? I have no idea what this is doing. Okay, maybe there's some details in the cargo toml or something. Ratzilla web and ride desktop app example. Okay. Okay. Tested. Basically gives Tori Electron type of capabilities. Okay, so basically a desktop app. Yeah, it's a desktop app. All right, it's not bad. Not have to. I would not prefer to have custom scripts for each example. I think we should somehow unify them either in a just file. Do we have a just file actually? Hold on, let me check. No, we don't have a just file. We have a scripts file, like we have a scripts directory though. So maybe there, and if in a just file or a top or in the top level scripts directory. What about building block used to make desktop apps that are HTML, CSS, JS powered? Hey, thanks for the PR. I'm not really familiar with Rye, so I would appreciate an explanation when it comes to its advantages and why Brazil might be a good fit with it. All right. We have one PR in Ratatouille. Define performance and engineering process. Add a performance engineering guide that explains why optimization work needs Measured evidence. Define a step-by-step process for choosing workloads. Okay, why do we need this? Motivation. Performance changes can leave the project in lasting complexity. This new guide makes the reasoning and evidence requirements explicit. Which PR is this? Smart string. Reduce size of cell. Okay, this is related somehow. Currently cell uses 48 bytes. Sin string. Wow, Josh is just really dropping some lore here, man. What is this repo? So I definitely agree with his statements on supply chain security, because depending on oh my god, what? Depending on a third-party library is always risky, is what I was gonna say. But what the hell? It's AI 100%. No, I think Josh is using AI for sure, but his points are like he's on point, is what I'm saying. But he uses AI, yes. But like, it makes sense when you read it. It's not like bullshit, you know? I do have a few displays. I'm not really experienced enough in embedded systems to provide proper measurements. In terms of measurements, I would be happy to help you out on that. Also, when it comes to embedded, I think embedded resetry, there are a couple of interested people in the Discord server too, so maybe drop this link there as well. Just pinging a couple of fans for their opinions. I'm just gonna ping some people here. Junk Dog for sure. He disappeared though, like I don't know what happened to Junk Dog. Was it a bird? I heard some bird outside. It's weird. And Rust embedded book. What was the username? I don't mean this. Rust on ESP32 or something. Yeah, exactly. I haven't checked the changes though. Let me check the changes too. Yeah, it just uses sin string. Low-level friends sounded so wrong. I need to edit that. I didn't mean to call them low-level. Okay, let me just delete that altogether. Like, what does low-level friend sounds so wrong? I'm sorry for that. Low-level friend. Hell yeah, man. High-level friend, low-level friend. That's how we categorize people from now on. But okay. Cool, cool, cool. Guys, let's try out this snake game. Let's try out the snake game. I think I have Bevy, Ratatouille, yeah, okay. Hit pull. 105. Let's try this out. Oh, this space is low. God damn, bro. Like, how does that even happen? I'm just gonna delete some packages, to be honest. Should be good now. So I want to run, what do I want to run? The example snake. I want to run this one actually. I'm just curious how it looks. That's it. Example in Elm architecture. Okay, there's another PR actually. Sorry, not PR, issue. Thanks for reporting this. It's to drop a PR. Okay, how do I run this? I want to run this in Rust Rover. Snake, let's run this one. I'm curious how it's gonna look like actually. What's your PC spec at the moment? It's suffering, I know. It's suffering. But the thing is, like, okay, let's actually try this out. I'm curious. So I have this other ThinkPad here, which is my work laptop. It's just way powerful than this one. And the good thing about Rust Rover is this is something that I have just recently figured out, is so you can basically do this and let's have it in here, create, and now it's just gonna use, okay, that didn't work. I need to, wait, let me, hold on. SSH, agent, SSH add or something, okay. And then you should be able to just run it on my remote machine. I want to set up my phone as a remote build server. Yes. How do I have like less than 50 megabytes again? Like what? To probably delete something here. Okay. That should save me a little bit. So what I was saying is I will just do this. Just run it on my build machine, man. No Rust toolchain. What? Okay. Test connection. Just continue anyway. What do you mean there's no Rust toolchain, man? Bro, what? Yeah, I think I will buy a laptop at some point. User bin RM, why user bin is now your path? I have it on my path, but it actually refers to some other core utils package. Oh no, it actually refers to the trash command, not the RM. So RM is actually an alias to trash, and I don't actually, like, when I run RM, it just like moves stuff to trash, and this time I didn't want to move stuff to trash. I just want to delete them. This man is insane. No. What? Yeah, gotta have a safe thing, bro. Where's the Rust toolchain? Like, what? I'm so lost right now. If I do RM, it takes it to trash. I'd be mad. I just use trash if I wanted to do trash. What editor is that? It's Rust Rover. By the way, are you bold, Orhun? Join my YouTube, what is it called? Become a member and you'll see. Become a member today. Brother, what do you mean no Rust toolchain specified? Okay. Actually, hold on. I know what to do. Just remove idea. Did you do any work with NDK on Rust? No, but I actually maintain cargo NDK. I want my American ship back now. Alright, so now we're gonna do the remote thing, guys. Check this out now. So, snake. Okay, let me just wait for the indexing first. Oh no, my token is expiring. Okay, how do I stop this? Stop. Okay, so edit configuration. SSH, existing, work, next, and we're gonna select this, create, apply, run. So now it's building from my other laptop. So right now no cargo process is running. It's entirely building on my better laptop, and I should probably get a better laptop. Because the one that I have is really good. The other one right now, I'm not live streaming from that laptop. I'm missing half the keys on my keyboard, so I'm using AI to code, and it's been pissing me off. You should get a MacBook. No, not gonna happen. Alright, so it failed. What's the file name? It's literally called snake. Oh, it's because of this. Alright, I'm just transferring the file. Sometimes wonder what it would take in history for Orhun to have become a web developer. It's funny. Didn't compile, it failed, so there's no executable. Here's an executable. Terminal too small. But it was not able to run it because of probably some... I don't know. So for some reason it was not able to run it. But there you go. We have the executable now. And yeah, we have a snake game. It's actually pretty smooth. I like it. Oh, there's this issue. It's emoji. Because of like this emoji is taking some like 2 characters or like 1 character less. There's this issue, but yeah, I can just let Josh know about that probably. I like it, but that little tip is bugging badly. Yeah, it's a bit weird, like seems a bit glitchy for some reason, to be honest. I have no idea. It's a bit glitchy. Looks nice. One issue that I realized due to emoji. CD misaligned. On the right. I mean, this is a very known issue, to be honest. Like, this has been around for some time. But actually, we have more examples here. The kitty example. Mouse. So I want to run this one. This is also failing. I gotta again kitty. It's building remotely, but it's not able to run it remotely, so okay, so kitty. Basically, I'll do this thing again and run it. And then we can run it here. Hello, man. Please, Orhun, let me know about a MacBook you could run Arch on M2. Play MacBook quite nicely. My battery on M1 holds for 2 days. Bro, I don't know anything about MacBooks. I have no idea about MacBooks. Sorry about that. Okay, but alright, it's fine, I think. Right. Fakir Isra, welcome. I'm taking a look at other PRs or other stuff that we can take a look together now. There's this issue which is interesting. There's an interesting RFC going on right now about changing the build settings for Rust packages at Arch Linux, which is gonna be quite interesting. I think I already reviewed this, so yeah. I was also hesitant to buy a MacBook, but you could buy a super cheap M2 machine and hobby it out, especially in Berlin. Those things are super crowded in the market. I am almost certain you would love it. Bro, I don't know. I just like ThinkPads a lot. I think I'll buy a really beefy ThinkPad. Really beefy one. Like super beefy. If you have some packages to update, maybe let's update some packages together. Cargo edit. Let's update this one. Did you miss Turkey? Of course. Battery could never hold as much as a MacBook though, and not create cast quality of tennis. Bro. Probably, yeah. Not gonna argue with that. Probably right. Okay, we have this PR as well. Hey, welcome Michael Manard. Just wanted to promote it and give it a tiny hint, as it will be a cheap purchase. New phone ambient 3 new thing by Gear Boss. Yeah, I'll consider it, yeah. Okay, let's see. Ignore comments listed in Git, blame, ignore revs. I'm not sure if we should mention this file. Okay. It's Cliff. Arsenic's well, Rust, what a gem of a chat YouTube hit me with today. Thank you for that. Thank you. Welcome to my channel, Mordi-S. We're just chilling today. We're just doing some maintenance. I don't know. We're chilling. By the way, check out Ratatouille. If you don't know Ratatouille, check it out. Ratatouille.rs. That's the real shit. Do you have fanboys? I have no idea. Grok open source their Grok build and it uses what? No. No. Where is it? Where is it? No. Ratatouille. Holy shit. Holy shit. Is this real? No way. You're gonna tweet about this right now. We're gonna tweet about this. There's also a contributing MD. What is the license? Apache. I'm so distracted right now. No, it's just searching everywhere. Ratatouille inline. Yeah, they use Ratatouille, yes. Yes, oh my god. Okay, one day. That's crazy. Okay, give me a second. Codex 2, yeah. Screen. So you're gonna see me you're gonna see me draft some tweet like live. I wanna tweet about this. Use my usual format. How many years of bodybuilding, hocam? 2 years. So I want to say something like SpaceX AI just released just open sourced and it uses Ratatouille. Something like this. No, I just use my... Which one do you suggest? More details. I feel this now using my brain to write instead use it to prompt. Multi-line. Ultra, of course. Okay, I'll just write it myself. I just write it myself, okay? Just open source script build and it uses Ratatouille RS. Retweet Elon's post. I hope they actually tagged Ratatouille. Like, I hope Elon Musk just tagged Ratatouille, or I'm not giving them permission to use Ratatouille, okay? SpaceX AI. GitHub. Okay, give me hashtags. Give me hashtags. Okay, and for the image, let me actually go with this. So it's a horrible image though, like why is it so zoomed out? What the hell? It's a horrible image. Okay, I'm just gonna steal their image. Save. Okay, thank you for the feedback. I won't lock in that much. I'll be careful. Okay, so that should be enough, I think. My microphone is too good, guys. That's the problem. Suffering from success. SpaceX AI. Okay, let's see if they actually... What's up with using Ratatouille? I'm new here. Can you give me some context? Ratatouille is a Rust library for building terminal user interfaces. It's been around since 2023 and I've been grinding with that project for a while. It's great. Everyone loves it. It's rats and cheese and all that cool stuff. Let's let him cook. Let him cook. Ratatouille.rs. For my taste, you ain't breathing enough into the mic right now. Unsubbing again. Unsubbing again? What do you mean again? You broke my heart. You broke my heart, man. Just gotta find this again, yes. Okay, now we just gotta post it everywhere. We just gotta post it everywhere. We're moving crazy, man. That's just how it is. Oops, wrong image. My bad. I feel like I'd be more excited. Bro, it's just the Wednesday. It's just the Wednesday, you know. But I should probably add the logo of X to Ratatouille website now, to be honest. So let's actually do that. So SpaceX uses Ratatouille. Let's actually use that. SpaceX AI uses Ratatouille. I'm gonna create some excitement on LinkedIn. I'm gonna create some. What are you guys talking about? Like, what the hell? What the hell? Big news. They just open source grok build. All right, this is good enough. Hi, nice background music. I feel like the wipe cat meme. Hell yeah. Didn't know you stream, by the way. I've been streaming for some time now. What the fuck? Why is this so broken? LinkedIn. Okay, whatever. Party. His success is too consistent, his problems are too small. Oh man. Do you have a Ratatouille social manager? I feel like he does not, because he's been speed posting. Yeah, I don't have a social manager, of course. I've been managing my own socials, man. Okay, I'm gonna actually like my own post. I'm gonna repost it. I'm also gonna like my own thing. Is zero cost abstractions cost too little? All right. So yeah, let's add the logo. Codex. Also missed you on VR Developers Conference. Would have loved to say hi and see those games in real life. Yeah, maybe next time, man. There are like plenty of conferences that I will go to. Just follow me and you'll probably know where I'm going. The next one. Okay, next one. Eurorust. Eurorust. If you go to Eurorust, let's hang out there. Links to that here. SpaceX logo, actually, not X logo. You can download the logo from or somewhere else. I don't know. In terms of socials, your Instagram seems to be off. I'm not on Instagram. What do you mean? Peak prompt. Bro, Instagram, I have an Instagram account, but it's just for like following the latest Gen Z shit. This container is too lightweight. ChatGPT make Rust too. Actually, I was just in the middle of merging something, then I get like distracted. Or you're scaring the sponsors when you swear. Be family friendly. When did I swear, bro? I don't even swear. The fuck you mean? Fuck you mean, man? I don't swear at all. Like, what are you talking about? Sponsors. You should sponsor me either way, brother. I don't care. Like, I'm getting work done. Okay, I'm getting work done. That's the only thing that matters. Come on. All right, showcase. Let's put it on showcase. Let's put it on showcase. SpaceX AI just released Grok build and it uses Ratatouille. Let's put it on community. Alright, cool. Bro, I don't know what kind of a screwed up setup M Joyful have, but like he always has these type of problems. I don't know what kind of things he's been doing, to be honest. Like last time he was just making like a programming language or something. I don't know what the hell's up with him. my god. Or when are you gonna make GTA 7? 6 is out already? How did you meet with Josh? How Ratati was born? Josh just sent by CIA, and then like he was like, bro, CIA just sent me to write this library, and I was like, sure. And then we made it happen. That was it. And I got paid like, you know, actually CIA reached me out, and I was like, I turned it down. They offered me like 15, 10 million, 5 million, something like that. It was a big CIA though, like it was in Jacksonville. So I turned it down. You know, I didn't know what to like. I was so younger, like I was so younger. You guys are not watching enough Instagram reels, man. Come on. You guys are not watching enough Instagram. You guys are not watching enough Instagram. They already making it 6, you gotta start early. Brother, if I get like a job offer from Rockstar Games to write GTA 7 and Rust, I think I would go for it, not gonna lie. I turned it down. It was like, you know, you need to maintain this project for this decade. Okay, so apparently we have a landing, like new logos now, so let's give it a try. I mean, okay. Doesn't look good. The logo does not look good. It has black background, which is bad. So what happens if I just go to, like, okay, right now I have this dark reader on, that's probably why. My keyboard fucked because my main laptop screen broke and my backup laptop is currently my server. My other backup laptop at the bottom case, so I had to use my backup laptop with missing keys. Bro, what? What are you talking about? How did you end up in that situation? Why do you have a backup laptop? Like, backup of a backup is crazy now. You have a RAID setup, but like not RAID, instead of just like RAID laptop offering you 15 times. I turn it down. They offer me like 15, 10 million, 5 million, something like that. I turn it down just to do this, just to grind from open source. It's a big college though. Just to do this. Oh man. Okay, well, what changed? Oh, it looks good now. Well, I don't know what just happened, but okay. It looks good now. All right. Give me conventional branch and commit. Orhun, what major did you study? Software engineering. Bro, how much would it requirement to turn the offer? I turned it down. It was a big offer though. They offered me like 15, 10 million, 5 million, something like that. It was like you have to maintain this project for this decade. How did you meet with Josh Howard after he was born? Question still up. I didn't meet with him. It just kind of one day like popped up in GitHub, and like Ratatouille is basically a fork of TUI-RS library that I've started. That's basically it. As he said, he turned it down. Bro, there's a like I did like a Station podcast Ratatouille. If you search for this, I've just talk about the whole story. Right, so I'll just send you this link. Okay, I think this looks good, right? What do you guys think? I'll just disable dark reader. Like, it's kind of small, but it is a small company. I'm just kidding. Don't cancel me. Okay, reorder it and make it this third company. I need the whole story. Like, I don't know what to tell you, man. Like, it just happened. It's open source, you know? Like, I just kind of like just, you know, kept maintaining it, kept developing it. That's how it turned out. I don't know what else to say. Turning down podcast. Need to be in voice chat, bro. I wanna yap at you. So long didn't read. He turned it down. Yeah, I turned it down. I told you already. There's too much padding on the left side of the logo. How much grant you got for maintaining? Fix the Netflix and OVH Cloud logo. What's wrong with Netflix? It's because of dark. No. Bro, just send a PR. Just send a PR. Just made it like huge now. Holy damn. Now it's huge. Make it smaller, for fuck's sake. Wait, why there's a like empty space here? Like, is it okay? There's also, I don't know. Now it's small. Now It's small. What's wrong with this logo, man? What's wrong with this? You get a grant for real maintaining Ratatouille. Yeah, we did. There's a blog post. Brother. Picture has a padding on its own. How much? 15, 10 million, 5 million, some shit like that. I didn't turn it down. Nah, I'm just joking, of course. Make it a bit bigger, please. Okay, if I know like where to update it, I could probably do it myself. Just a tiny bit bigger again. They have an icon copying but button on their website. Just wanted your comfort, but you turn it down. I turn it down. Okay, whatever, guys. Here's like, I'm gonna just leave it as is, okay? If you wanna fix it, please be my guest. So, didn't saw this before. What are you talking about, Glober? Okay, group build. I'm gonna push it to the website. Feel free to fix it. I am just gonna send. Oh, this is bad. Okay, sorry for the flashbang. There you go. I didn't notice that you was doing a live stream, so I didn't came here before. Okay, that's fine. Welcome. Bro, Orhun, you could have just added this easily, not gonna lie. What do you mean? Run format maybe. I still don't have any like any emails from SpaceX AI about my $15 million for maintaining Ratatouille. So what's going on? Best DevRel person you know. Okay, so let's search SpaceX AI Ratatouille. Let's try to find some. Why are you adding a company logo to the project? Because they are using Ratatouille. They turned down you this time. Hell yes. Uses ZOTRS, by the way. They forgot to mention the most important detail. I'm gonna trigger some people with this. supporting small companies, bro. You gotta, like you gotta just support your small, like little homies, like I always support these guys. Like I don't know, like they doing some cool stuff, I guess. Like I haven't seen what they do, but like you gotta support them, like supporting small companies and shit like that. So yeah, I mean, your delts are so fire, bro, bro, bro. My girlfriend is gonna He's gonna kill me. I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry, babe. That's because M Joyful said that. I didn't mean to just flex. My bad, my bad, my bad. Where's my t-shirt? Where's my t-shirt? Where's my t-shirt? Where's my t-shirt? I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. He got caught. All right. No more flexing. No more flexing. No more flexing. Good boy. All right. No more flexing. Everything for my beautiful girlfriend. You don't even see my body anymore. Does this have a back print? No, it doesn't. Alright, so guys, this is how we live stream from now on. No more flexing. No more flexing. I'm so jealous, bro. Your physique is clean for real. How much you weigh? 95 kilos. His eyes are so beautiful. What the fuck, bro? That's a bit sus though. That's a bit sus though. That's a bit sus. Okay, so yeah, that post us. I'm actually cooking right now, like literally just cooking. Guys. That was hot. That was hot. Check out Rust Rover, by the way. Check out Rust Rover, by the way. Jet Brains. Represent the nation, y'all. Jet Brains. Okay, so nobody's mentioning Ratatouille and SpaceX. It's kind of sad, not gonna lie. Like, where's the Ratatouille mention? Grok Ratatouille. Maybe search for this. You have a Ferrari. Know what you mean. Okay, nobody's talking about Ratatouille. It's kind of sad. No, he's not chilling, nonchalant about this. Yes, like all of a sudden I just became like, where's my 15 million? There's no offer to turn it down. Bro. Turn it down. Turn it down. Anyways, guys. Anyways, there's no there's no like offer to turn it down, so we just go back to our open source stuff again. Let me fix the formatting though. Come on, why is it so slow? Okay. Fix formatting. Git blame, ignore revs. I miss wipe suffering. No more wipe suffering, man. Like, I fixed the camera. I actually now have a fan as part of like I bought a fan, like a little fan, so that the camera does not heat up anymore. What age you started coding? Bro, I turn it down. I told you. I turn it down. They offer me like you can start at 15 years old, 10 years old, 5 years old, some shit like that, but I turn it down. I don't know, probably 12. I'm fixing the website right now. Your logos had all different margins on the files. Bro, really appreciate it. Like, really appreciate that. Okay, so git md. $376. Which git md is this? Git md configuration. Well, where is that? Well, this is not the right file to mention this. This is not the right file to mention this. I think this should go into another file. I don't know where though. That's the problem. Like we have development and configuration, integration, usage, file, maybe tips, tricks. We don't have a thank you guys. Git specific settings, sadly. This is unfortunately. I think this is good to go though. Rust rover integrated terminal. Okay, I still have like 15 stuff to do, like some to-do items. But I think I'll be done because we're getting close to 2 hours. Getting close to 2 hours, so yeah, let's have a chat for a while and then I'm out, guys. So if you have any questions or anything you want to talk about right now, it's the time. It's the time. I'll actually just adjust things. No, bro, it's been 2 hours. It's been 2 hours, come on. Bro, like, have you explored Rust, Bitcoin, Rust open source? No. What is the result of 2 plus 2? It's 5. 10 more minutes. Brother, gotta go. Gotta go. I gotta offer, man. I gotta turn it down. 15, 10, 5 minutes or something like that. As a beginner, I should start learning Rust. Definitely. Definitely. Do it. It's never late. It's never late for that. Do it. You have a Discord server, by the way. You have a Discord server if you want to join us. How to start, like, from where? Rust book is a good option. Or you could just, you know, build some project. Sorry, I didn't see. No, I'm actually a medical student. Because some people say as a first language it's a bad idea, so I'm a little confused. It's not a bad idea. It's just that the learning curve is a bit different from the rest of the programming languages, so it might take a bit of time to adapt to the compiler, the rules and stuff like that, but it's not a bad idea at all. But it depends on your goals. Any crazy idea we can implement in Rust? Crazy idea in terms of what? Just like Ratatouille. 3D 3D operating system. How about that? Do you have a schedule to stream? No. Just very random. But usually this time, like evenings. Give me a second, I'm gonna just close the window. I have some packages that I'm just waiting for them to arrive. It's gonna be so good. How did you fall in love with Rust? It's great. It's the best language out there. You'll just be fighting against type. Also, like, I'm only like I've fell in love once, and it's just with one person. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. They'll just be fighting against types in a language. How painful was it to move into Berlin? Emotionally devastating. You see, right now I look very devastated. I'm very devastated right now. It's difficult, bro. Like, it's like a therapy session now. It's like a therapy session. Like, things are a bit difficult because first of all, you're away from your family, friends, and you know, everyone. So if I'm being honest, it was difficult. But logistics, easy, except finding an apartment. And also finding an apartment that has this wall, this brick wall. It's real. It's real, by the way. It's real. It's not a background. It's real. So it was a bit difficult, but I turned it down. They offered me like 15, 10, 5 square meters or some shit like that. Turn it down. But I was so younger, like, I don't know what it was. They offered me like, you have to stay in this apartment for this decade. Hello, Thunder Kebab, welcome. Just about to finish the live stream. We just hit 2-hour mark. I was not expecting to go for this long, but something really special happened right in the middle, so we just kind of extended a little bit. SpaceX AI started using Ratatouille. Actually, they've been using, but like they released their, I don't know why I'm making these like hand movements. I should be just stay like this. So they were like just open source their coding agent. So yeah, like I'm so tired, guys. I don't know what I'm saying. Anthropic is gonna use that in the future for sure. Yeah, I mean, why not, bro? Like, I don't know, like, why not? Turn it down. Counter for the stream is like 9 million. Is that million actually? It's 90 million, right? Yeah, 90 million. How did you get the idea of Ratatouille? One day I was just pondering about cheese. You're gonna support these homies. Yeah, like, you know, I've known like open source. Sorry, not open source. I known SpaceX AI for a while. Like, they're cool. I want to support them. So they reached out to me. They were like, you know, can we like use Ratatouille in this project? And they offered me some shit like 15, 10 million, 5 million, some shit like that. But I turned it down. I turned it down. But I was so younger, like, I don't know what it was. They were like, we're gonna use this library for this decade. It's a big company though, like it's a big company in Jacksonville. It's a big company though. When's the next stream? I don't know, probably tomorrow or the other day. I usually announce this on socials. I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream, by the way. I hope that was fun. I'll fix website logos and send PR. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you. I'm fixing at the moment, don't worry. 3D operating system seems a nice idea. I mean, you could just make a game and then like, you know, like a 3D operating system game or some shit like that, you know. But I was so younger, like, okay guys, I need to stop, okay? Like, I'm getting so obsessed with this. When's the next stream? I don't know. tomorrow this time, 10 p.m. my time, CST, CEST. The info site is starting to see and unless, but I'll definitely look into them. I'm curious about Rust. Guys, thanks for joining. I should miss you, turn off the stream. Alright, my girlfriend is calling me, so I'm out, guys. Thanks for joining the live stream. I will be live streaming probably tomorrow. Let us have I just need to clone myself at some point. Have a wonderful evening, mate. Peace out. Alright, so like I will live stream probably tomorrow the other day. Love you, Hojam. Thank you, man. Love you all. It was really fun. It was really fun. So I guess take care, everyone. Take care. Take care. Bro, turn us down. I turn it down. Turn it down. See you. Yeah. Take care, guys. Take care. 07. Join Grindhouse. Join that. 07.